What's happening, y'all? We are on our way to go pick up the new addition to the old family. We were gonna have them, they were gonna end up delivering it to us. However, they were gonna end up bringing it on with an 18-wheeler, and that tractor trailer was not gonna be turning around where we're at. So we just told them we'd come pick it up from them, pick it up from their dock. So we will catch y'all in just a minute as we pull in to get this crate. All right, y'all, we've got it. It is loaded up. Can't see nothing yet. We'll do a reveal here. It's gonna be fun trying to get this thing off the truck. Probably have to unbox it and all, take the metal cage and stuff like that off here first. I don't know if we're gonna be able to probably put the front tire on and stuff like that while it's in the truck. I don't know, we'll see. Hell, it'll be fun. So stick with us here and we will have an unboxing and figure out how in the world we're gonna get this thing off the truck. Yes, yes, and absolutely more yes. It is the 2024 Kawasaki 250X. This is their XC race bike. This thing, we deliberated on quite a few bikes when we made this decision, to include, yes, Honda's 250RX. We were looking through KTM's, betas, and when I say KTM's and betas, mostly they're 4-stroke models. No, we were not going to get a 2-stroke. We did do some debating on that, and I got out of the 2-stroke thing a good while back, and I prefer the 4-strokes, and plus with racing and all, that's just more so where I'm at with things, and I wanted to stick with the 4-stroke, so here we are, the 2024 Kawasaki KX250X. I will go ahead and have a review video up of this thing on my first impressions, the pros, cons, the whole 9 yards, because we did end up riding this weekend. So we went ahead, we did our normal break-in there for the dealer, what they recommend. We did our oil change, filter, stuff like that after the break-in, and then we continued to ride the rest of the day. So another thing I will let you guys know is that this bike is not going to be like a full build series or anything like that, like the 250F was, Kev. This is our race bike. Yes, we will continue to use this when we go out riding and all, but what we're going to do to this thing is very minimal. We did already buy as far as our protection items, like our skid plate, front and rear rotor guards, frame guards, stuff like that. So, but don't forget, we do have the other CRF250F build coming up. It is going to be the 310 kit from Force Cam, along with their exhaust, the ECU, clutch, all that stuff. The rally camshaft. So we do have that build coming up that you guys will get to see as well. We are in the prime time for riding right now. So we've got a lot of stuff playing this year, man, a lot of riding and stuff to do. So you don't want to miss it. Please be a friend, tell a friend, like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Now you guys know. That is what the new addition to the family is. Again, thank you guys. We will catch y'all on the next go round. See you.